this is it. This is the time. I was here watching the beautiful sunset at the beach in Greece. Look at the colors. Well, I saw something in the charts. I had to put my glasses on because the move finally has came. And now we're talking big numbers. Where the crypto market is heading next. Bitcoin got rejected at the 108K area exactly as expected. Right here, this area, we got rejected and we are now going down. And very, very soon, most probably tomorrow, we are going to enter a new long position. And everything is based on cycles. As you can see here, we have a 1-day cycle indicator on the chart, and here we made a top. We never long the tops. Whenever the cycle indicator goes above 80, we know that we are now looking for short opportunities. So everybody who entered the short here actually are currently in a profit. Now I entered the Ethereum short here. Ethereum didn't fall that much, but I'm in a small profit as of now. And I'm looking into long opportunities already within tomorrow or maximum 2 days from now. Now, as you can see, the 1-day cycle indicator shows the bottoms perfectly. What happened here? We also made a bottom right here. Right here, we made a bottom. Because of the USA and Iran tensions, we actually went down very temporarily. We made an absolute bottom at a 99,000 area. And there the cycle restarted. A new 1-day cycle started. We started to go up in the indicator, and we also started to go up in the price. So everybody who caught this move, I caught this move. I made good money in the, just showed in the previous video, actually made a good profit. Now, rinse and repeat, guys. It's exactly the same thing. Here, we make a top, we make it up, we get rejected at the top, and we go down. If we want, we short. If we don't want, we simply wait for the bottom, and we long. Now, how to catch that bottom and how much we can fall? These are the two questions that we have to answer in this video. Now, let me delete all the stuff that I just painted in the chart because we need to apply two different indicators. Well, the cycle indicator is still the same. It's just that we have to change the time frame. We have to go to a lower time frame, the 12-hourly time frame, which is actually my favorite one. Now, if we always want to catch the bottom, okay, and we want to buy near the local lows, we have to buy whenever this 12-hourly cycle goes below 20. So this is happening right now as we speak, okay? Right now, the 12-hourly cycle is going below 20. So now it's actually a good moment to start accumulating. But however, there is one but. We have to also check another indicator, which I'm going to show in a moment. But if you take a look at the past and you say, hey, this 12-hourly cycle is actually showing the bottom. It's actually showing the bottom. Well, here we have the break of the cycle because of the USA and Iran tensions. So this is an exception. But every single time this indicator reverses, we are simply going up. Okay, we are simply going up. So safe zone is always below 20. Now we're actually entering the safe zone right now. 105K, $500. Remember this price. This will probably be a local bottom or very close to the local bottom. Now you can always so go to the smaller time frame, like 4 hour, and see how far we are actually from the bottom. These cycle indicators like the 4 hour, 2 hour, they react quicker. And as you can see right here, hey, we are actually now about to reverse. So sure, like if you just zoom the price and disable all the indicators, it looks super ugly. But we know that within 4 hours, 8 hours, maybe even 12 or 16 hours, Bitcoin is going to reverse to the upside. Okay, we are going to see a bounce here. Now let's go to 1 hour chart, 1 hour indicator. And we can see that, hey, yes, we are breaking now the cycle. So we can expect for a few more hours to either bleed down or simply consolidate and then make a bottom and go to the upside. Okay, now how far we can actually fall, it can be also answered by enabling this TPO, time price opportunity indicator. Let me disable the cycle indicator a little bit now. Now you have to combine this one with the cycle indicator because look, we are currently at the 105K, $500. Okay, now as you can see here, we have these black lines, multiple black lines. We have a black line here. Okay, we have a black line here as well, another one. And we have a couple of more. We have here even another black line. Now, what are these black lines? These black lines are actually the POC points, point of control. Or in simpler words, these are our support and resistance zone. The more black lines we have at the given price, the higher the chance that we're going to see a bounce here. And because I set this indicator to weekly, these black lines, these support zones are actually very strong. And we're currently sitting at 2 of them. So $105,500 is actually touching 2 POC points from previous weeks. This means that we are currently at a very big support level. We can expect a bounce here at the specific price right now. We can't expect a big bounce. Now, in case we go lower, we have to look for POC levels below this price. There is another one at 104K. And there is also, well, there's this one, right? This one is also slightly below 104, $800. So basically, we can assume that now it's a safe opportunity to enter. Now, if you want a long, you simply have to wait until the 30-minute or 1 hour cycle indicator is going to reverse, which is going to happen within the next 8 hours, 12 hours. And we will simply enter a long position. If you want to understand what are these indicators, if you want to get access to these indicators, you have to go to this website right here. It's strategymaster.io or strategymaster.substack.com. Here you simply have to get a free newsletter, register free of charge, okay? Learn the cycles, see what I'm talking about. Every couple of days, I'm launching a new article where I talk about cycles, where I show where are we currently in the Ethereum, the Bitcoin cycles, and what we can expect from the market. Occasionally, I also share my trades. Now, if you want to get access yourself to every single indicator that I use in the video, you simply have to get the individual plan for €46 or $49 per month, which is a very low amount. So learn about cycles. Then you will be able to make a very smart decision in the market. And every single time the Bitcoin starts to fall, you will not be afraid because you will know when to buy, when to short, when to long, and it will simply sit comfortably. And by the way, you will not really care if the bear market comes because you know how to short. Every single time, whenever we reach the cycle top, you're simply going to enter a short position. You're going to make money on the way up and on the way down. With this, stay safe, don't overtrade. Only make move when you feel that we are safe to enter. Like right now, we're entering into a very interesting zone. And see you in the next one.